up, online shoppers? I just ordered a gorgeous Christmas tree and it's arrived. So let's take it out of the box and put it together, see what it looks like. Now this one here is a pencil fir, which means it's tall and slim. It's not going to take up a lot of space where I want to put it. It's just going to be tall and slim, and it's pre-lit, so I don't have to worry about getting the lights on it. Just 1, 2, 3, and the base. The base is collapsible, so all you have to do is put in a couple screws to lock it into position, and then it's nice and sturdy. Now this is D and this is C, so this is going to go into there. Really nice. And they ship them with an end cap, so you're going to want to take this off. Oh. There we go. Here you have it. It is fully assembled and it is gorgeous. And you can see I'm doing it in my basement and it's so tall, I can't even touch the top. This one here is a 7.5 foot fir artificial tree with the skinny profile and 300 lights. As we saw, it comes in 4 sections: the top, the middle, the bottom, and then the stand. And all told, it took me about 30 minutes to fully fluff and assemble this tree. I am in love. I love the quality of this tree. It's hard to see from there, but the inside is actually wrapped in the same kind of material that makes the branches, but with browns mixed in. So you don't see the trunk of the tree at all. It actually looks super natural. And I am really pleased with the overall quality. 7.5 feet tall, 3 pieces plus the base, super easy to assemble, pencil thin profile, great for tucking in a corner, and also not very much space to store away when you're done with it either. This is an awesome tree and I love it, and it is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.